Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to read you a story called Finn's Fun Trucks, Space Squad. It's written by Finn Coyle, illustrated by Sir Molly Bassani. Finn's Fun Trucks, Space Squad. We are the Space Squad. We study outer space with the help of our space fleet. Each one has a job of its own. Can you guess what each one does? This is a carrier rocket. Can you guess what it does? It says fin, rocket engine, fuel tank. A carrier rocket has a very powerful engine that can take people and machines into space. This is a space plane. Can you guess what it does? Payload bay doors, fuselage, main engine. A space plane can be launched on a rocket into space. Astronauts can use it as a spacecraft, but can also fly and land it like an airplane. This is a space exploration vehicle. Can you guess what it does? Docking hatch, pressurized cabin, pivoting wheels. A space exploration vehicle allows astronauts to work in space without spacesuits. They are being built to fly in space or drive on planets and moons. This is a satellite. Can you guess what it does? Solar array, module, antenna. Satellites orbit and travel around Earth. They can collect information and send communication signals for things like cell phones, TVs, and computers. This is the International Space Station. Can you guess what it does? Solar arrays, truss, and a module. The International Space Station is a giant satellite. Scientists from all over the world live here so they can learn more about space. We are the Space Squad. Can you guess what we can do when we all work together? We can explore and learn about the wonders of space. Here's our vehicles again, my friends. The International Space Station, satellite, the space plane, a space exploration vehicle, and the carrier rocket. The end. I hope you enjoyed our story, friends, about Finn's fun trucks in the Space Squad. What was your favorite Space Squad vehicle?